Hey guys, this is Aaron Lewis back for another video, and in today's we're actually going to be doing a little bit of a gaming setup tour for you guys because I know some of you guys are interested in my new gaming setup. So I thought I'd do a quick little tour of it. Now, by all means, this isn't a professional gaming setup tour. It's quite beginner-like. So for any of you guys that are obviously professionals, don't come at me being like your gaming setup is bad, because obviously it isn't the best. The computer isn't the best either, but I have tried to do the best with what I can afford. So in my personal opinion, it is quite nice for a beginner's setup. So let me know down in the comment section below what your setup looks like. Let's get stuck into checking it out. All right, so here is the view of my gaming setup from my bedroom door. As we walk over, you can obviously see I have an ender seat, which is a gaming chair. It is extremely comfortable to sit on, and it actually reclines all the way back in case you want to probably have a nap while you're playing a game, even though I don't see anyone doing that. And then on the left here, we obviously just have my IKEA bamboo plants with a subscription cushion, which I actually just purchased eBay for like $10, so that was a bargain. We have a Minecraft parrot just sitting up in the tree here. And then if we walk over, we have Zelda from Breath of the Wild. And we have my brand new gaming PC, which is an ACER Predator. I will have it linked down below. Anything that I mentioned in this video, the links will be down in the description box below, so you can go check them out and purchase them if you want to. And then if we pan over, we have a HOMEPod from Apple. We have my Nintendo Switch, which I don't really play that much anymore just because I've been busy obviously with work, but I do plan on getting back into it. And we have another IKEA plant here, which just has my bird feathers in from obviously my birds that I own. We have an Apple Magic Mouse there, and my Apple MACBOOK Pro, which I edit all my videos on here using iMovie. And then we also have my 5TB LACIE hard drive there, which has all my pre-edits of my videos and my final edits of my videos. Now, I did a video on this bad boy yesterday. It is a YETICASTER microphone from Blue. If you guys want to go check that video out, I will have it linked down in the description box below also. It was just a quick unboxing of it. I've only used it once, but I am a big fan of it already. It's just one that attaches to the desk there, as you can see, so it'll hang over my gaming setup. So when I do eventually start gaming and streaming, I'll have a proper microphone for you guys to hear me on. Now, just down here, we have the Predator keyboard and mouse. And I actually purchased this mouse keyboard pad off of Amazon, I believe. It was fairly cheap, I think. It just sits on your desk, and I have it hooked up to my monitor screen. And it has the RGB lighting all around the outside, which you can customize to whatever color you want, or you can have it where it just goes around with the rainbow. Right here we have my BLASTEX, which I also did a video on of me unboxing it, so if you guys want to go check that one out, link will be down below too. It also has RGB lighting at the bottom here. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then just on top here we have my gaming monitor, which is a 34-inch Predator ACER Predator monitor. I bought it with a bundle with my ACER Predator over there. It is the most recent one of this monitor released. It has the brushed metal finish on the back, and it's meant to be a very good quality gaming monitor, which is why I bought it. And it was also the only one by ACER in the store, and I'm a bit OCD where I like my stuff to be pretty much matching. So we got Predator, and then we got Predator over here. And then if we pan over to the right here, we agreed to buy my pop figurines, which we have Skyrim Elder Scrolls on top here, a Skyrim one down here, which is just with Alduin, and we have my Minecraft ones, which are just here and all down here. I used to be a big Minecraft fan. I don't play it as much anymore. Here is a little mug that is also from Minecraft, the TNT, with just stuff in it. The remotes for the BLASTEX, and this remote controls my RGB lighting, which goes around my whole desk, as you guys can see here. That I also bought off of Amazon. It was actually fairly cheap. I think it was only like $20. And it just really entirely improves your gaming setup, the look of it. A lot of people don't really like RGB lighting, and I never used to, I'm not gonna lie, but having it actually really improves it. And then just hanging on the wall here is just my mum's artwork, which I also mentioned in yesterday's video. Her link will also be down in the description box below if you want to go view her website. And I just have a Zelda clock up the top there, which doesn't even work because I accidentally dropped it on the floor and broke it. And then if we just come to the shelving here, we have Link, also from Breath of the Wild, and another RGB lighting, which I also purchased off eBay for a very low price. So remember guys, all the links to anything that I mentioned in this video will be down in the description box below. Go check them out and get a bargain from Amazon. Here is the limited edition Breath of the Wild book. It just has little cheats and stuff in it. And there is another Apple HomePod. Obviously I have two because I used to be separated in two different rooms. And I'm not really gonna worry about showing you what's on this because it is pretty much just my TV stand. Anyways guys, that's all for today's video. I do hope you enjoyed seeing my gaming setup. I am quite impressed with it, so I hope you guys are impressed with it also. I'm in love with the RGB lighting that goes around my desk. Remember, anything that I mentioned in this video, I'll do my best to find worldwide links down in the description box below. Obviously, I did purchase a lot of the items mentioned in this video from local stores of mine that are based in Australia, but I will do my best to find nationwide stores for you guys that have the same products that were mentioned in this video. Feel free to send me your gaming setups. You can either tweet me or just Instagram me in my DMs. My social media accounts are always down in that description box below. If you already haven't, make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for any future videos that involve gaming, or if you're in love with birds and you're here for them, there will be videos on them in the future too. For now, this is it, and I'm gonna just continue playing Planet Zoo, which I'm absolutely obsessed with, and I plan on doing a video soon of me actually doing a gameplay on it. So stay tuned for that one also. Laters, guys.